there is some numerical, okay, of electricity chapter is given. Now see the first numerical. Okay, first numerical says that draw a circuit diagram for a circuit consisting of a battery. हम लोग को क्या बनाना है? We have to draw a circuit diagram for a circuit. This is a circuit. Okay, circuit consisting of a battery of 5 cells. How much cells are there? 5 cells. Okay, of 2 volt each. Okay, 5 cells are connected in series and each cells of 2 volt. Now see here, suppose 5 cells 1 2 3 4 and 5 cells are connected in series and each of 2 volt. Then what will be the total value? Okay, 5 cross 2 is equal to 10 volt. This is the total value of the battery. The combination of cell is called the battery only. Okay, so 2 volt. तो यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया. Okay, understand. Next, a 5 ohm resistor, a 10 ohm resistor, so and a 15 ohm resistor, an ammeter and a plug. How much resistors are there? One is 5 ohm, second is for 10 ohm and third 15 ohm. So 3 resistors are connected. Okay, an ammeter and a plug की. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक चीज़ है, an ammeter is always connected in series in any circuit. Okay, ammeter is always connected in series in any circuit. And अगर यहाँ पे voltmeter दिया रहता तो voltmeter is always connected in parallel to any circuit. Okay, इस चीज़ को याद रखना. And a plug key is plug key will be connected in series with the ammeter. Okay, and all connected in series. All connected in series. 1 minute, friends. Okay, so there are 3 resistors, 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm resistor. Okay, an ammeter and a plug key all connected in series. So ammeter is always connected in series and plug key also connected in series. Okay, it is given in the question also. Okay, so up to here we will solve first. Okay, now see, there are 3 resistors, 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm. Okay, and an ammeter is connected in series and a battery 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 battery only here. We will add 1 more battery. Okay, okay, and this is a plug key. Okay, now see the next one. Also connect a voltmeter. Also connect a voltmeter to record the potential difference across the 5 ohm resistor and calculate. Okay, we have to, voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Okay, so we have to connect a voltmeter parallelly with the 15 ohm resistance. Okay, so we have to find the electric current passing through the above circuit. Okay, so for finding the electric current, first we have to find the equivalent resistance here. So 3 resistors are connected in series. Then what will be the equivalent resistance? What will be the equivalent resistance? 5 plus 10 plus 15 is equal to 30 ohm. Okay, since resistance are connected in series, so we will add all 3 resistance. Okay, and we have to find the current. Okay, we have to find the current. Okay, so we already find the equivalent resistance. Then what is the formula of current? I is equal to V divided by R. V is what? 10 volt. The battery of 10 volt. Okay, divided by 30 is equal to 1 by 3 ampere is equal to 0.33 ampere. Okay, now see the second one. In second we have to find potential difference across 50 ohm resistance when the key is closed. When we will close this key, then what will be the value of this voltmeter? Okay, so we have to find the potential difference. So potential difference, PD means potential difference across 5 ohm resistor is equal to V is equal to IR. You already know the value of I and R. Okay, so V is equal to 1.67 volt. Now see the second question. While experimentally verifying Ohm's law, a student observed that. अच्छा, Ohm's law का इस 10th class में वो भी है. Experiment is also given. Okay, in the practical. द प्रैक्टिकल सिलेबस ओम्स लॉ एक्सपेरिमेंट इज गिवन, ओके। और वहाँ पे हम लोग प्रूफ करते हैं और वैल्यू निकालते हैं वी और आई, और एक ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं विच इज़ स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ, ओके। So see, while experimentally verifying Ohm's law, a student observed that the pointer of voltmeter coincide with 15th division. कोइंसाइड विथ 15th डिवीज़न। वोल्ट मीटर, अभी अगर आपने कभी देखा होगा तो वोल्ट मीटर में डिवीजन्स दिए रहते हैं, ओके। और इसका क्या होता है, लीस्ट काउंट इज देयर, लीस्ट काउंट इज देयर, ओके। तो पॉइंटर इज पॉइंट ऑन दी 15th डिवीज़न, and when the voltmeter has a least count of 0.05, this is the least count of the voltmeter. Find the observer reading of voltmeter. We have to find the reading. Reading means voltmeter is used for what? Voltmeter is used to find the value of voltage or find the value of potential, okay. So we have to find the potential, okay. Now see the solution. Least count can be defined as, what is the definition of least count? Least count can be defined as the least value the device can measure, वो minimum value जो कि एक device क्या कर सकता है, measure कर सकता है, that is called the least count. And for this question the least count is 0.05 volt. This is the least count of voltmeter, okay. Now here it is given this least count of the voltmeter is 0.05 volt. So the reading of voltmeter हम लोग कैसे मेजर करेंगे? We will multiply the least count with the division, okay. We will multiply the least count with the division. तो 0.05 into 15 is equal to 0.07 volt. Now see the next question. How does a voltmeter ammeter connected to a device? Okay, so voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the device and ammeter is always connected in series with the device, okay. Now see the next one. A copper wire has a diameter of 0.05 mm. What is given? Diameter is given 0.05 mm. Mm means what? Millimeter. So millimeter is not the SI unit of length, so we have to convert the millimeter into meter only, okay. And next is millimeter and resistivity 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. Ohm meter is what? The unit of resistivity, unit of rho. What will be the length of this wire to make a 10 ohm coil? Now see what is given. First diameter is given, in second rho resistivity is given, and in third resistance is given. तो ये तो क्लियर है कि हमको फॉर्मूला कौन सा यूज़ करना है, R इज इक्वल टू रो एल डिवाइडेड बाई ए, और हम लोग को क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, L. सो L इज इक्वल टू आर ए डिवाइडेड बाई रो, ओके. पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज इन दिस रिलेशन, then find the value of length, okay. Try to find, I will explain in the next video. Thank you.